Yeah, what's up, guys? Mr. BMG here, guys. I'm coming live on this beautiful bazar. So in Bangladesh or in Asia, we call shops as a bazar. So I'm coming live here at Bangla Bazaar, and you know what? This is the good news here, man. You wanna come and check out? Get yourself a very nice and super amazing design for this, man. Come, let me show you how they get it, man. So this is their shop all the way here, and come, man, I show you. So this is beautiful. Actually, I got this, and it's super original. And I'm gonna try this, man. I'm gonna try this, and I really want you guys to also try this. I should not be the one to move. This is original, all the way from Dhaka, Bangladesh, to Mr. BMG. I'm so much happy, and you can come, you can visit this shop, and you check out amazing t-shirts, amazing customized shirts that you want. They have these ones. If this one cannot fit you, they will customize for you all the way from this. And you can see the sewing machine. Actually, they are busy all the way. This is the big boss here. They are busy, so they can get you a beautiful design and customize to your size so that it can fit you. Whatever you're tall, small, big, huge, man, everything will fit on you. So guys, wait, let me go and put on this and you see. Visit this. First wait, man. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, guys, now you see how do I look. Mr. BMG! Man, you need to come here and you try for yourself. Get one. Just get one for yourself. You really love it. And it's super cool, man. You can just, it's nice for your weekend, nice for outing. Visit this shop. They're just located at 7 days roundabout and Morex Mall Complex. You get the Bangla Bazaar. You get for yourself one design. If you don't want this, there are a lot of super amazing designs that you can check out. That number just down below in the description of the video. I said I love you all, and let's do it. Love. We go inside. Where? This side. It's going to be a nice video.
Thank you so much. Oh, looks very nice.
They have good refrigerators. This we call them fridges. Very, very, very nice. And one thing about them is that you can see there are a lot of different colors that you cannot get, you cannot find, man. Like imagine, look at this, beautiful and amazing colors. And also they give 1 year guarantee. That is, if you buy this and if anything happens, they can give you a new one. You can just have that one and they give you a new one. That is so good. I don't know if people give guarantee, man. This is so much, man. You can see also this is also another amazing this is washing machine, right?
Washing machine,
yes, washing machine. You can see this wash and dry at the same time. Like how many hours?
No, just like 1 hour.
You can see 1 hour reduce the workload. You don't need to wash your dressings by yourself, but you come, you get yourself this, and they have amazing prices. They are just located here at 7 days roundabout Morex Complex Mall. So what's up, guys? Come and get yourself this fridge, man. This is so good. Man, I love it. I'm going to have one for myself, and you need to come and also have one for yourself. Let's do it. The contacts are just down below. You can just hook them out and contact them, ask them, inquiry on WhatsApp, on everything. It's just here. But I'm going to take one like this to my wife, man. So that is it. Yeah, it's good.